Happy new month. I welcome you into the new month. The month of November is our month of restoration and recovery. The month of November is our month of restoration and recovery. I decree in the mighty name of Jesus, if there are things that you have lost in the past, either from January to October, and you are yet to recover them, as you step the sole of your feet into the new month, go and recover them fast in the mighty name of Jesus. Our month of November, that month of November is the month that the Lord wants to restore you, and as He's restoring you, you are recovering at the same time. So this month I decree in the mighty name of Jesus, as you step the sole of your feet into this new month, everything situations took from you, everything circumstances took from you, everything time and season took from you, as you step the sole of your feet into this new month, go and recover them fast, and recover them fast in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. I decree in the mighty name of Jesus, this time may have taken a lot of energy from you. The past month may have taken something precious to you from you, but I decree as a Nazarene of the Lord, as you step the sole of your feet into the month of November, restoration is your destiny, and as you are being restored, go and recover in the mighty name of Jesus. I welcome you into the new month. I welcome you into the month of November, and I welcome you into the month of restoration and recovery. Remain safe and remain blessed.